Hello guys, it's me. Hope you all okay. Today I'm going to reveal my all secret tips of sketching. Hope you all stay with me till the end. Well, let's go. What we need for sketching. First, you need to purchase some materials like sketch pencil and blending stuff. You can get it any store and very cheaply. I have divided this video into 3 parts to make it easier for you to understand. In today's part, we will learn how to sketch any faces. Just be patient and watch. Here I purchased some sketch pencil. Here you have 6 pencils together. If you don't wanna buy this combo, you can buy some pencils separately, like HB, 2B, 4B or 6B. Just make sure you must have one dark and one light pencil. What is the use of blending stumps? If you are trying to achieve a smooth transition between shadows in your drawings, blending stumps are an invaluable tool to add to your art supplies. These simple stumps of tightly rolled paper are perfect for blending charcoal or graphite to create different values and give your drawings a clean, polished look. If you don't like to use it, you can skip it and use cotton or tissue paper instead. We need some extra scrap like razor, sharpener, white gel pen. You can use white acrylic color instead of white gel pen, or you can totally skip this. It's not that important, but they are good materials for highlighting. You can't highlight easily with eraser. That's not a big deal. I will tell here that you can easily make a beautiful sketch with materials available at home. Now let's start how to sketch faces. My cute subscriber wants me to draw Tokito Muichiro for her twin sister. So I tried first and let's see what will happen.
Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it, I don't understand. Try so much to get back. That's something you thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the gun, I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it, I don't understand. like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it.